Hi everyone, this is Omni-Meng, and in this video, I'm going to be taking on the biggest challenge for me. I'm going to be doing Morathi. Now, Morathi, gotta say that it's a very good sculpt. This is one of Games Workshop best model they have done. And the sculpt is all great. And I like the wings, I like the face and the feature and all the actions. Now, one thing that I'm having a problem with, it's how you paint it. Because when you paint it, it's always like, you gotta go here, you gotta go here. That's okay. Now why is it called the biggest challenge? Because there's a lot of obstacles going on here. So yes, I got this model from Smiling Monster Studio. I was asked to go and improve it a lot better. So yes, I'm going to be giving it a shot.
Now I wanted to actually strip off the paint and reprime the model, but that would take a little too long for me. So let's get the model started. First I wanted to do is create an arm, as it is missing an arm.
Okay, gotta say something. I wanted to make a sculpt for the arm. Kinda took a long while, and quite honest, I'm actually a first timer for the kind of sculpts. However, while searching around, actually the sculpt was right here. So yes, we're gonna be priming this and we're gonna be putting it over there.
I realized that the engraving on the snake section could have glowing blue sides, and I did just that. So what can we do is to improve the skin color. The problem is that, well, the model just keeps stabbing my hands. But I pulled through. I'm using AK Interactive's Black Red, Beige Red and Basic Skin Tone. Here's where we use the base and mix the Beige Red and Basic Skin Tone. Just keep thinning down and mixing the color until I see what looks good. I'll use airbrush and paint some bright highlights on the areas that need to have some lighting. Afterwards, base some section to what I felt is a dark and light corner. Then color it and brighten it up again. We juggle the lights until we see what looks great. Now we get to that one arm. I add some black color on the arm as they turn out to be an arm sleeve. So I have to color that on the other side as well. To make the gold pop out, I add some black or brown highlights before the real metallic. And let's tidy up the gem on her crown and many others. Alright, I think the model is getting there now. We glue the one area of the other arm and let the model wait until it's dry. And also gluing the section where the wings broke. There are some, but good thing the model's plastic is really strong, I gotta say. Now we tackle the base. Let's make the brazier on the model to look better. We paint the pink color on it, and then coloring yellow, orange and some red glazing. And I will want to change the stairs color too, so I will use this pastel color and color on it. Once it is done, let's start gluing the base and the model together. And then see if there's any highlights to do when the base and the models are put together. And I almost forgot the snake section. So this part is the most frustrating part. It was going good when I washed the snake with some Caramber Crimson shade from Citadel. But once I start painting, it gets harder to control. So eventually I just started dry brushing it. And it looks like it might be the answer. And after all of that, we are done.
Okay, wow, this was a serious challenge, and I gotta also say that it's looking pretty good. Yeah, it's the best I can do. What's the thing that happened? Okay, so many times they actually did break. One time I did tell you it broke here, so I'm not really going to paint here. There's another one here that broke later on. It does look good. If the outcome is I'm at least satisfied with it. So yeah, have you guys done your Morathi figure? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. This is Omni Meng. I'll see you guys next time. Thank you everybody. Bye bye.
This video is brought to you by Underground Hobby Shop. Go to Lazada, type Underground Hobby Shop for all your Warhammer and miniature needs.